Leveraging artificial intelligence to overcome language barriers is a necessity in the contact center. The unique combination of conversational AI, generative AI, and translation technology allows you to overcome the challenges that come with multilingual service. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The key benefits of conversational AI. Number one, natural language processing, that is NLP, enables the system to understand and respond to customer queries in multiple languages. Number two, chatbot and virtual assistants can handle a significant portion of customer interactions, providing quick and accurate responses in the customer's preferred language. Number three, context awareness retains context across interactions, making conversations more coherent and personalized. The benefits of generative AI. Number one, dynamic content creation generates responses that are contextually relevant and personalized, improving the customer experience. Number two, adaptive learning continuously learns from interactions to improve response quality and accuracy over time. Number three, scenario simulation helps in training AI models by simulating various customer interaction scenarios in different languages. The benefits of translation technology. Number one, real time translation instantly translates customer queries and responses, enabling seamless communication between customers and agents. Number two, multilingual support supports a wide range of languages, allowing businesses to cater to a global customer base. Number three, translation accuracy utilizes advanced machine learning algorithms to enhance translation accurately and reduce misunderstandings. Leveraging artificial intelligence to overcome language barriers in the contact centers combines the strengths of conversational AI, generative AI, and translation technology. This integration not only enhances customer experience by providing accurate and timely responses in multiple languages, but also improves operational efficiency and expands a company's global reach. Investing in these technologies is crucial for modern contact centers aiming to deliver exceptional multilingual service. Let's look into today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi praises India's electronics exports, which has risen to the third rank. According to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the growth in electronics exports from India has brought great satisfaction. Exports of electronics are now among the top three in the world. This credit was given by Prime Minister Modi to create Yuva Shakti. The Prime Minister went on to say that India is still determined to maintain this momentum in the future. CNN introduces CNN Originals Fast Channel. A new fast channel called CNN Originals allows viewers to see critically acclaimed long form content from the CNN Originals series collection. In the US, Amazon Freevee, Fire TV, Prime Video, Plex, and other devices are now offering CNN Originals Fast Channel, and more platforms will be added soon. This new channel adds to CNN's current fast offerings of CNN headlines in the US and CNN Fast around the world, with additional channels planned to launch in the months ahead. Mac OS Sequoia with iOS 18 allows to mirror iPhones on Mac. The iPhone mirroring is one of the unexpected innovations during the 2024 Worldwide Developer Conference. Mac OS Sequoia and iOS 18 both have a mirroring capability that allows users to operate their iPhone from their Mac. This function will come in handy if the iPhone is in another room or somewhere else that users can't get it right away, or if they want to utilize a specific app. The government authorizes C.S. Setty as chairman and Rana Ashutosh Kumar Singh as the managing director of the State Bank of India. The State Bank of India has appointed Challa Srinivasulu Setty as its next chairman and Rana Ashutosh Kumar Singh as its managing director for a 3-year term. The current chairman, Dinesh Kumar Khara, is scheduled to retire on August 28. The appointment has been approved by the national government. Setty was SBI's managing director in charge of global markets and technology prior to being promoted to the chairman. Jio is in talks to utilize Meta's VR software for a possible VR device. Meta is in talks to license its virtual reality software Horizon to Jio, the digital division of Reliance Industries Limited. Jio intends to produce a VR gadget that will be powered by the VR software, according to sources. The discussions are a part of Meta's bigger initiatives to get more businesses to use Horizon OS and position it as the industry standard for VR, AR, and mixed reality devices. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.